Computer Lesson 3, Sorting and Creating Charts in MS Excel 2007. Let us learn how to sort numbers and alphabetical data. Sorting in MS Excel 2007. Sorting refers to the action of arranging a list of items in a specific order, ascending or descending order. Select a cell in the column which has to be sorted. Click on Sort and Filter command from the editing group of the Home tab. This is the Home tab. This is Sort and Filter, and this is the Home tab. Now select the option Sort A to Z and arrange the data in alphabetical order. Then sort of numeric data. Place the cursor in the cell in the column which has to be sorted. Click Sort and Filter command from the editing group of the Home tab. You can see here the worksheet. Saving worksheet. To save a worksheet in Excel, you can click the Microsoft Office button. Here you can click save the click button. Here it is. What are the things you have, you can click. Now you can see the picture here. In the Save As dialog box, click on the left side panel to select the location in which the worksheet has to be saved. Type the name of in which worksheet has to be saved in the file name field. Now close the worksheet in Excel. Follow the steps given. Click on the Microsoft Office button. Click Close. Creating charts. Column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter and many other charts. Under the chart type, there are many subdivisions. You can see here the subdivisions, name of the students, like that. You can column, pie, line, pie, bar, area, scatter. And you can see here, create a worksheet with the data given. Select the cells A1 to B7. All the cells contains data, including the containing data label should be selected. Click on the Insert tab from the button. Click the column button from the charts group. Click on the clustered column subtype. A clustered column chart is created. This chart shows a comparison using vertical rectangles. Similarly, other charts type also can be created. Here you can see changing the size of the chart. To increase or reduce the height of the chart, drag the handles from top or bottom of the chart. To adjust the width of the chart, drag the handles on the left or the side of the chart. To increase or reduce the size of the chart, proportionally drag handles on the corners of the chart. Next you can see the Exciting MS Excel 2007. To close MS Excel application, click on the MS Office button and sort the option Exit Excel. Exit Excel, which is in the lower right corner of the Office button. We can also close MS Excel clicking on the button X, which is found at the top right corner of the worksheet. I hope you all understand this lesson, children. Next we'll see the exercise. The keyboard shortcut for closing the worksheet is Ctrl plus W. Sorting refers to the action of arranging a list in a specific order. Data can be sorted by clicking on the Data tab on the ribbon and selecting the option as from the sort of the filter group. By default, the worksheets in MS Excel 2007 are saved with the extension XLSX. The keyboard shortcut for saving the worksheet is Ctrl plus S. True or false? Sort and filter command is found in the editing group. True. Select a cell in the row which has to be sorted. True. By choosing sort largest to smallest, false. To increase or reduce the height of the chart, true. To chart can be moved to a different location, true. Match the following. Sort A Z to A. Data in reverse alphabetical order. To adjust the width, drag the handles on the left or right. ALT F4. To exit MS Excel, save in field. Choose the directory to save works. Sort smallest to largest. To sort numeric data in ascending. Identify the name of the type of the chart. Here the picture is here. This picture is pie chart. This picture shows line chart. This is column chart. This is second tester column chart. How will you sort alphabetical data in A to Z order? Select the option sort A to Z to arrange the data in alphabetical order, or select the option sort Z to A to arrange the data in reverse alphabetical order. How will you save a worksheet? In the save in field, click on the down arrow to select the directory in which the worksheet has to be saved. Name any 4 chart types and their subdivision: column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, and many other charts. Under each chart type, there are many subdivisions. Okay, children, we'll see in the next class.